Hey guys, I'm Sawyer and I bring you men's style guides related to all things skincare, cosmetics, and men's beauty. So if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe below. Today we're going to be talking about tanning. And I always say tanning is very much a white person thing, and it's true. So if you're a person of color, this video probably isn't super relevant for you, but I promise to have more stuff for you in the future. So the product we're going to be talking about today is Le Labo's Face Bronzer for Men. And this is a really cool product because it's temporary. It washes off at the end of the day, unlike most of your traditional self-tanners that will stain the skin for many days and oftentimes leave like an orange tint. This is really natural looking, and it's a product I really love. This is not a sponsored video. I use this product most days, and it leaves a really natural look to the skin. You can scale it up. You can use a little bit to get just a little subtle glow, or you can use more to add a bit more intensity to your tan. Even now, when I've got a bit of natural color, I will still use this because, to be honest, like, I love the way I look tan, and I don't think I can ever be too tan. So if you're like me, stay tuned because I'll show you how to wear it. So like I alluded to earlier, this product is a gel concentrate that you mix in with your facial moisturizer in the morning. So what I've got here is, I usually just keep it pretty simple. I wear CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion on my face and on my body. So I usually mix it in with this. And if I haven't already said this, this is super concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take I usually take about I guess like a dime size portion of moisturizer, maybe a little bit more. And then you're going to take the Le Labo, and you're probably going to use like half that amount. And like I said, you can scale this up or down if you find that the color is too rich or not enough for you. So just a little bit. So I'm going to use about that much. And then you just mix it together in your hands. And what you're going to get is something that looks a bit like brown muck. And then you just rub that all over your face. So just like you would a moisturizer. So I'll start here, and then I'll just go on my forehead, and I'll get my neck as well. And just blend it in, I put it over my ears. And I don't generally put it on the back of my neck, because if you're wearing dress shirts, like white colored dress shirts to an office, it can tend to rub off. But if that happens, it will come off. You can get it back off in the wash. And then I just sort of dab it in. And after you apply it, you're going to want to wash your hands with soap and water. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Like I said, great product, super easy to use, natural looking, and it washes off at the end of the day. This retails, I believe, for about $60 US. You can get it online, that's where I buy it, or you can go to a Le Labo store. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you liked it, please subscribe or like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, guys.